Hey love, I saw this gold ceiling on Pinterest and not gonna lie, it's almost as sexy as you. So today we're building it in Revit. Smooth curves, golden glow and all. As usual, we're choosing the default model template by Revit from Browse. Once you're here, go ahead to South Elevation. We are creating a new level. This is where you choose what height your ceiling is gonna be at. I'm keeping it at 20 feet above the finished floor. Then go to level 3, floor plan view, navigate the massing ribbon and click show mass. Create in place mass and name it anything you'd like. Remember to set the work plane to level 3. Before modeling, we are creating a reference drawing first. As an example, I'm going to make a 100 feet by 100 feet square. Then, still drawing references, we are adding horizontal lines that are 20 feet apart from each other. Like me and you, we are far apart from each other. Basically, now we are making a grid for the model reference. Now do the same for the vertical lines. Once done, we are gonna draw the real model with spline through points. Carefully place the dots whenever the lines intersect, like what I'm doing here. For the sake of time, I'm going to speed through this process. Done. Now we are selecting all of them, then find the filter button and click on it. Unselect everything except the reference lines. This will only select the reference drawing. Now delete them because we don't need them anymore. Now go to 3D view, select all of them and click on create form. We have just created a flat blanket. Very impressive, right? Don't be so giddy. We're not done yet. Now, select all of them again and turn on X-ray. Remember how I said we've just created a blanket? The idea is to mold the blanket to whatever shape you'd like it to be. And that's what the little points are for. So let's zoom in on it and start sculpting. This is where you're free to do whatever shape you'd like the ceiling to be. I'm gonna do the basic up and down crisscross pattern just like in the Pinterest picture. It helps to change the display to shaded to make the curves more visible. After you're satisfied with the curves, select all of them and turn off X-ray. Click finish mask and ignore the warning. Now, onto the massing ribbon again. Click on the wall by face button, then click on the mask. This weird texture is just the mask still showing. So we're going to turn it off by turning off the mask visibility. As usual, it didn't work out, so I'm just gonna hide the mask by element. All clean and smooth now. That's how it looks like from the bottom. You can also just flip the whole thing upside down if you like the top face better. Now, change the display options to realistic because we are gonna paint it in gold. Go to the manage ribbon and click on materials. Boom. This is the materials browser. We are gonna search for gold, found gold, upload it in the project, click OK. Now use the shortcut PT to paint. Search for gold, select it, and click on the face of the wall. If you want to cover the whole thing, you can do it too, but I'm not gonna do that. By the way, if you're dissatisfied with the height, a way you can change it is to move the model from one of the elevation views, like this. And here is how it looks like floating in Enscape. Of course, you'd add some walls around the ceiling too, so it doesn't just float in the air, but hey, you do you. And that's how you make a sculptural, sexy gold ceiling in Revit. Honestly, these curves, they're almost as smooth as yours. Almost. Anyway, if you liked the tutorial, or if you cringed at my attempt to seduce you, please drop a like, subscribe for more, and let me know in the comments what Pinterest thirst traps I should try building next.